Welcome! In front of me I have GARMIN Approach S50 and I'm gonna show you how to change the strap on this watch. If you want to change the strap on your watch, first you need to remove the old one. And to do it, grab your watch, flip it around, unzip the watch, or rather not the watch but the strap, and just, can we pop it out from here? We should be able to, slowly. Okay, and here we have it. Here's our watch and our strap. Actually two straps. We have the tiny one right here at the top and the long one at the bottom. Okay, and to remove the straps, what we need to do is to, as you can see, we have this lever thing on the strap and we need to pull on it towards the middle of the strap to release the mechanism that holds the strap in the watch. So grab the lever mechanism, pull on it. It's going to be probably a bit hard to do it because you need to use like a fingernail or something to grab it. But once you pull on it, you will be able to pull out the strap. And we can do the same for the second side or the other side. Like this. And how this mechanism works, is quite simple. Basically, you have two pins at each side, or rather, you have two pins on each side of this strap. We have one pin right here, we have a second pin right there, and usually those pins are inside of your watch, and here in the holes on your watch, on each side. And to release the strap, you simply pull on the lever, and that lever basically retracts one of the pins, the one next to the lever. Once the pins retracts, you can basically pull out the strap because it releases from this hole on the watch. Quite simple mechanism, but one of the best because it's easy to replace the straps quite quickly. Okay, and once you get your new straps and you want to put them back on, it's quite simple too. Just grab the strap, grab your watch, you put the pin on the other side, basically the pin opposite from the one that is next to the lever. You get that side. You put it in a hole on your watch. Come on. Okay, like this. Then you pull on the lever to retract the other pin. And once you retract it, you align it with the hole and release it. And once you release it, it should click in like this. And it should hold after that. Okay, the same for the other one. So put it in on the one side, like this. Oh, come on! Don't fight with me. So let's insert it right here. Pull on the lever, so it retracts the pin, and then align it and release it, and it will click in. And now we have both straps on, and that's how you change the straps on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.